Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's a clear indication that something is wrong with the blades. This noise often stems from a worn-out or damaged blade assembly, which can lead to further complications if not addressed promptly. If left unresolved, it could ultimately result in more extensive damage to your device, making repairs more costly and complicated. To fix this issue, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement blade assembly, and a pair of gloves to protect your hands. Begin by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the base of the device. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the base cover to expose the internal components. Be cautious not to force anything, as this could damage the casing. Now, locate the blade assembly, which is typically situated at the bottom of the mixing bowl. You may notice it's loose or showing signs of wear. To extract it, you might need to disconnect a few cables that are connected to the motor. Make a note of where each cable connects for easy reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the cables are disconnected, you can carefully lift out the blade assembly. Place the new blade assembly in the same position as the old one and reconnect the cable securely. Ensure everything is properly aligned before you proceed. Now it's time to reattach the base cover. Align it carefully and replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them gently but firmly. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and turn it on to test if the grinding noise has been eliminated. If all goes well, you should hear a smooth operation without any unpleasant sounds. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you clean your Thermomix regularly and avoid overloading it beyond its capacity. Additionally, always use the device according to the manufacturer's guidelines. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.